Welcome to our Generative AI series. Today, we are exploring image-to-image generation, focusing on style transfer and transformation. This is a fascinating area of AI where we don't just start with words, but we start with pictures. So, what exactly is image-to-image generation? Unlike text-to-image, where you create something from nothing but a description, here you provide an existing image as a starting point. The AI uses this input image as a guide for the colors, the composition, and the general shape, transforming it into something new based on your instructions. The process involves three main components. First, you have your reference image, which provides the foundation. Second, you provide a text prompt describing what you want the result to look like. Finally, the generative AI blends these two inputs together to create a final output that respects the structure of the original but follows the style of your text. One of the most popular applications is style transfer. This allows you to reimagine an image in a completely different artistic style without losing the subject. You can turn a photograph into an oil painting, a sketch into a 3D render, or even change the time of day from noon to midnight. Beyond just changing styles, we have powerful editing techniques. Inpainting lets you mask out a specific part of an image, like a shirt, and ask the AI to replace it with a jacket. Outpainting does the opposite. It extends the borders of your image, letting the AI imagine and draw what exists outside the frame. Sometimes, standard generation changes too much. That is where tools like ControlNet come in. They allow you to lock onto the edges or depth of an image. You can feed in a simple stick figure drawing or a rough sketch, and the AI will generate a photorealistic image that matches that exact layout perfectly. AI is also incredible for quality improvement. AI upscaling can take tiny, blurry images and add realistic details to make them high definition. Similarly, photo restoration can automatically fix scratches, tears, and fading in old vintage photographs, bringing them back to life. There are several major tools you can use today. Stable Diffusion is powerful and free to run on your own computer. Midjourney is famous for its artistic quality and is used through Discord. Adobe Firefly is built right into Photoshop, making it easy to use generative fill for professional editing. As with all powerful technology, we must use it responsibly. Be careful about copyright when using other artists' work as inputs. Also, be aware that this technology can be used to create deepfakes. Always verify information and label AI-generated content to prevent misinformation. To wrap up, image-to-image generation transforms the way we edit and create art. Whether you are stylizing a photo, fixing an old memory, or turning a sketch into a masterpiece, these tools act as a limitless digital canvas. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.